Hey, Peter Maracca here with eXp Realty, and we are here at our newest listing, 53 Ridge Road, Stoney Creek. This place you have to check out. It is amazing. We've got a beautiful open concept layout. There's a fully finished basement. And we got a sweet living room here, perfect for entertaining. Featuring a master bedroom to die for. And the best part of this property is it has a backyard country oasis. I'm so excited for you guys to take a tour.
Cause I can't fall asleep at night without seeing my dreams. Delusion and reality, I'm somewhere in between. These voices in my head get loud and they keep telling me that I'm a fool for trusting in these wings. But maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. Just drinking themselves crazy tonight. Maybe I should call and say, told you I'd be right. Wondering how long it was before you realized the biggest mistake of your life, and now you're paying the price. Oh, is it confidence or confusion? Either way, I feel like I ain't never losing. Your opinion of mine, you know just what I'm choosing. I gotta do this, cause I can't fall asleep at night without seeing my dreams. Delusion and reality, I'm somewhere in between. These voices in my head get loud and they keep telling me that I'm a fool for trusting in these wings. But maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. Maybe, baby, this what flying feels like. What flying feels like. Maybe, maybe that's what flying feels like.
So that's it, guys. That was the tour of 53 Ridge Road, your country oasis retreat in the city. Location is superb. I hope you guys enjoyed it. PM me, DM me, call me, and let's change your life.